and namaste to everyone. I'm a teacher and I was born in Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm still 29-year-old, but I still behave like a student of class, you can say 9, 10, 11, 12. Reason why I say that I still behave like a student, because whenever I'm in the school, I just simply get into the classrooms and class में जाके जो टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे होते मैं बैक बेंचर्स के साथ जाके बैठता हूँ और क्लास में जाके टीचर्स को डिस्टर्ब करता हूँ. I take them all out, play with them, sometime cricket, sometime any other activities. Because this was something when I started my journey, when I started my business. So there, my activities helped me to create what my firm is. And that was a day where I found what is my unwritten threads of thoughts. Back in the year, in Rajasthan, when I used to stay, I was born in a family which was not financially so good. I used to visit different my friend's house to watch TV, to watch TV serial, Dish TV. बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता था मैं जहाँ हो वहाँ पे जाता था एंड मुझे वहाँ से बोल दिया जाता था कि बेटा आज लाइट नहीं है, गो बैक. एंड दैट वाज द टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड कि व्हाट इज मिसिंग in my life. Slowly, steadily, I moved to Siliguri. It is a place in West Bengal. I used to study in a tuition. I used to go for my classes, and my teacher told me, बेटा कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट हो, 11-12 पढ़ा है, आपको जाना है एंड जाके यू हैव टू टेक BCom in accountancy. And after studying for a year, I felt like this is not what I want to do. This is not, I don't want to calculate profits. Then I realized what is my inner strength. And from very second year, I started with GK institution, my baby. And I called it my child. इसको मैंने birth दिया and इसको मैंने nurture किया. Now, in India, we are in 5 different cities. Also, currently, because of GK institution, I'm owning 3 different schools around India. With the time being, when I was working, it was a struggling life because parents की side से financial support अगर मैं चाहता तो मुझे मिलता, but I never wanted it. I simply started teaching students in different houses. I used to teach students for just 300 rupees. I don't know what is my worth right now, net worth. So I used to teach a student, and those students gave me confidence. And in the very next year, I came across around more than 80 students, and I started teaching them. Slowly, steadily, my institution turned into a brand in my area, because for me, teaching was not like because I didn't get something else and I became teacher. Teaching for me was always because I wanted to be a teacher. This was my passion, which I changed into my profession. In the year 2022, I met with a girl, my wife. Currently, she is somewhere here. So when I met her, she was the one who motivated me and said, your inner and actual strength is your speaking skills. And she pushed me into start working on speaking skills training, as well as for आप shows करना शुरू करो, आप बच्चों से बात करना शुरू करो. मैंने कहा ट्रेनिंग देके लोगों को फ़ायदा नहीं है. Instead, what happened with me, मैंने 1 साल कॉलेज में बिताया and I found this is something what I don't want to study. That was given by somebody else, and मैंने simply लेके उसको पढ़ना शुरू किया. तो ये अगर मेरे साथ हुआ है तो इंडिया में बहुत सारी यूथ के साथ ये हो रहा है. They are missed out what they want to do and what they want to study. Eventually, with the time, I came to know कि this is something which is a problem in India. And I started reaching out to the different schools, different colleges, different Xavier's is something which helped me out in my journey. उन्होंने मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म दिए, मैंने हर जगह जाया, मैंने हर जगह पे जाके स्टूडेंटों से बात करना शुरू किया, स्टूडेंट्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट करना शुरू किया. And there was a topic which I found for myself for economics, for doing PhD, that was economics education. I started doing research, what are the problems and different kind of courses that students do not come across, and they don't find where to go and what to do after completing their degrees. There I started counseling students. With the time, I started reaching, and I reached around 2,000 students till date. But that kick wasn't coming to me yet. मेरे को वो लाइफ के अंदर में जो किक चाहिए था करने के लिए, वो अभी तक आ नहीं रहा था. And then I became the part of NGOs. The NGO name is Apne Aap. That NGO works for rescuing women from red light area. And till date, around we have rescued 50,000 women from red light area. With rescuing, अब जब वो वापस घर आ जाते हैं तो घर आने के बाद में उनका पहला चीज़ होता है कि सर हम रेस्क्यू के करें क्या. दिस इज समथिंग आवर ब्रेड एंड बटर, क्योंकि उनके लिए कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं होती, उनके लिए कोई काम नहीं होता, उनके बच्चों के लिए करने के लिए कुछ एजुकेशन नहीं होती. स्कूल्स में अगर उनको डाला जाए तो वो स्कूल वाले लेते नहीं है. आवर लीडर रुचिरा गुप्ता, उन्होंने पूछा कि क्या चाहते हैं आप लोग और क्या हम आपके लिए करें. उन्होंने 5 चीज़ें मांगी. Education for their child, identity for themselves, good shelter, work, training. We started working on it, and currently Apne Aap feed around 6,50,000 people a day. Apart from that, number of students from their family background जिनके बच्चे होते हैं, उनको हम लोगों ने स्कूल में एनरोल करवाया. उनको हम ट्रेनिंग्स देते हैं, डांस, कराटे, योगा, जुम्बा, मेहंदी की ट्रेनिंग. देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स विच वी डू विद देम. देयर आर मैनी ट्रेनिंग्स विच वी प्रोवाइड देम, एंड दोज ट्रेनिंग हेल्प देम to get employment, because the age gap according to the education system says for class 1 you have to have an age of 6. It's a compulsory age. But the student without anything, without any knowledge about even alphabets and everything, so हम उन बच्चों को क्या करते हैं, लेके जाते हैं. कुछ बच्चों को अलग ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, और कुछ बच्चों के साथ में हम लोग वहाँ पे उनको एजुकेशन में डिफरेंट स्कूल में एडमिशन करवाते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन स्टडी एंड दे कैन चेंज देयर लाइफ. एंड दिस वाज समथिंग व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू, एंड दिस इज समथिंग वेयर आई planned कि I live my life in this way. But problem, आप charity without income नहीं कर सकते, आप empty pocket charity नहीं कर सकते. कहीं पे charity without money नहीं होता है. So for that, I definitely had to make money. And my communication, my strength, my institution became that strength for me. जहाँ पे हमने आज 300 स्टूडेंट्स को हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन के अंदर में कैटर करके रखा हुआ है. वी हैव मोर देन 300 स्टूडेंट्स स्टडिंग इन आवर इंस्टीट्यूशन. देयर आर 3 डिफरेंट स्कूल्स विच आई ओन, वेयर वी हैव मोर देन 5,000 स्टूडेंट्स स्टडिंग. With this, because education was something as I said, I wanted to be a teacher, and that became my profession because it was my passion. Eventually, later on, I saw there are many students who are facing this kind of problems also, the teachers training. Then this was a company which I started calling professional. The company name is Eduholic, because I felt I am not alcoholic, but I can become an eduholic. And I started studying a lot about different kind of subjects. There I started with a podcast company, and that podcast company cater those people who have done something in their life, even without education, but they are famous they are famous with their work and other professions. So we try to know their journey, and with their help, if we can create some more faces by them. For me, titles, for me, making money was always not the motto, and to get famous. But if these things are not there in your life, definitely you are not doing what you want to do. So with my time, with my life, with the time, passing time, even I met one of the father from this university, and he gave me a chance to come up and to tell my story. So I leave you with one thought today. Know your inner will. Do what is your dream. Because if you chase your dream, you can chase everything in your life, whatever you feel. Money will come if you know what you are passionate about. Do what you love to do. Thank you so much. Thank you.